Hi, my name is Damien. I'm from CTM. I have the privilege to be your product expert today, and I want to introduce you to our ALF laminated flooring. Come have a look. So this is our Trend Oak Copper laminate flooring. It comes from our ALF range. It is a 6mm board, and let me tell you some of the benefits of this board. You can definitely put this in any study area or any bedroom area within your household. This is also a rich, warm color, and it caters for all traditions, all classic trends. The subtitled patterns within this board makes things look so realistic. If I just knock on it, you can feel and hear how durable this particular laminate board is. If you also put your hand around it, it is so smooth, it's so easy to clean, and it's soft to the hand. This Trend Oak laminate flooring is truly a nice bargain for you. These are the reasons why laminates are a great alternative. First and foremost, it's got a 15-year warranty behind it, and the warranty covers all residential traffic. It's also environmentally friendly. It's got the antibacterial safety behind it, and it's click technology. It's got the latest technology so that you as a consumer can install it in your house and do it DIY. The second thing is, when it's winter, it's actually warm. But when it's summer, the board feels cool. And that's a perfect board to have in your particular home. So, really now, if you really like this laminate floor, I love it, please come to our website, www.ctm.co.za, find the product that you like, and add it to your cart. If you do not know how many boxes you need, please use the tile calculator and we'll calculate the square meters and the boxes just for you. And all you need to do is add to cart and proceed with checkout. And we will bring your dream product to your home. Thank you.